guys, it's Annie here from YC Onion back with another tutorial. Talking about the latest hit game, Cyberpunk 2077, I'm sure most of you are very familiar with the hyper-realistic world illuminated by the bright neon signs and advertisements. The theme of the Cyberpunk world is what we believe high-tech, low-life. In order to show that, we chose to film at two places of completely different styles. The first place we went to was an artsy area transformed from old buildings. Although it's being renovated, you can still pick up some nostalgia vibes. With some neon lights on, it's already a great scene to enhance with a cyberpunk vibe. And now if you place the subject between the two buildings, you can get this really cool sense of depth within the photos. Next, we went to the densely populated downtown where there's concrete jungle, which is clearly very different from the old town, with a little bit of special effect. And there you go, a futuristic world. Besides the building, the model is also very important. We chose an outfit of futuristic and scientific style for the model, which makes her look like a ninja lurking in this oppressive and freeless cyber world. What's more, we put the model on a bionic makeup. Human, bionic human, aren't they the same? In order to achieve a more cinematic look, we used Ray 24mm anamorphic lens to get that really cool lens flare to make it look epic. We also used samurai sword and glasses as props. In this scene, a bionic human is carrying a samurai sword, looking towards the horizon, and deep down she wanted to break the barrier and find a utopia of her own. We also used smoke bombs to add a subtle trippy visuals effect with a dreamlike atmosphere. Because the cyberpunk world always shows up in the form of night cities, we chose to film at night. But then comes the problem of lack of light, especially in old buildings. So we brought YC Onion Energy Tube as the fill light. In the RGB mode, choose hot red and bright blue light, which are a popular aesthetic of this style. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any other questions, please comment down below. We'll reply every single one of them. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.